What's up guys, it is James Eats. Now here in Brisbane, Australia, the weather is getting cooler and cooler. And what does that mean? We're heading into the winter months. And there is no better way to keep your tush warm than having a nice hot soup. But I'm not just talking about any hot soup, I'm talking about the real deal Chinese hot pot. And tonight, don't go anywhere because I'm going to show you how you can whip up a good Chinese hot pot right at home. Stay with me now here on James Eats. Simple ingredients, so easy to make, yet packed full of flavor. Coming right up. So guys, I'm going to show you how we begin with the Chinese hot pot by starting with the base of it, and that is the broth, which is the most important part of this Chinese hot pot. Now you can use many different types of broths, from fish to beef to chicken, but tonight we're going with the pork. Now our water is boiling away, so we're going to add in our broth. In she goes. To our broth, guys, we've also going to add in some red dates, and the little red ingredient you can see there is goji berries. Now we're going to pop this into our broth right here, and that's just going to add an extra element of flavor to our broth. Okay, in goes our red dates and goji berries. Once we've added our stock to our boiling water and we've brought the stock up to boil, then we've added in our red dates and goji berries. Just adding in some cabbage right here. This is going to give a natural sweetness from the cabbage that will infuse our broth. So guys, so that's pretty much our stock ready to go. Added a few ingredients just to infuse our broth a little bit more with different flavors, and like I say, the natural sweetness from that cabbage and that sweet corn. So this is just some of the ingredients that we're adding to our Chinese hot pot. You've got some beef balls, you've got fish balls, you've got some rice cakes, and even some lobster balls here. So that is all going into our Chinese hot pot. And what I love about Chinese hot pot is the different cuts of meat you can add. And right here we've got some thinly sliced beef strips, as well as some pork belly. And let me tell you, adding that to the hot pot is going to be delish. As well as the hot pot tonight, guys, we're also going to have a side grill, pretty similar to a Korean barbecue. And right here we've got some beautiful thinly sliced spicy pork. I think it's pork belly, and then we've got some marinated beef. Now this is going to be sizzling away on our little grill, as well as having hot pot. We're making a condiment or a dipping sauce to go with our hot pot tonight, and we've got some preserved bean curd that we're using, some spicy preserved bean curd, some soybean paste, and right here, guys, we've just adding in some sesame oil. So that all goes in here, give that a bit of a mix up. Okay, also adding in a bit of sugar to our sauce here, guys. Alright guys, I'm going to give this dipping sauce a try. Ooh, I like salty, spicy, a little bit sweet, but I really get a nice nutty flavor from the sauce. And adding a bit of sesame oil into this dipping sauce, you can really get the taste of that sesame flavor. Alright guys, let's take a look at our hot pot. Oh yes, look at that. A nice array of mushrooms, got some veggies in there, some tofu, as well as our lobster balls and fish balls. Yeah. Oh, love a good sizzle. So this is the beef going on the grill. This is our marinated beef, guys, that we got from our local Chinese butcher. And we're gonna cook this up on the grill. Now these are thinly sliced, so it's not gonna take very long at all to cook our beef. This is our spicy pork that I'm adding to the grill here. So this is just thinly sliced pork belly. All right, let's try out the spicy beef, guys. Oh, that is some tender pork. That sauce is actually quite lovely. Nice and nutty. The actual pork marinade is actually quite sweet, and then it hits you with that spice right at the back of the throat. So this green here, guys, is called tong ho. Now this is what is typically added to a good Chinese hot pot. So this is a must use veggie. Oh, I love that sound. Oh, that is a good drop of asahi. Guys, that was an amazing hot pot tonight. That beautiful broth, and we had so many different meats, condiments, veggies. Absolutely delish. Now this is an easy dish for you guys to try at home for yourselves. It is so versatile, so you can pretty much use anything in this hot pot. So make sure to check out the description box down below. I'll list some of the ingredients that you can use in your hot pot. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I do appreciate your guys' support. Don't forget, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and thanks for clicking onto my video. And thank you to all my subscribers for subscribing to my channel, and make sure to click that like button down below if you like this video. Until the next video, that is all here on James Eats. Cheers.
Cheers.